Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 is flashing red and won't start, it's likely indicating a battery issue. This could be due to a fault in the battery itself or a connection problem. If left unattended, this issue can lead to further complications, ultimately affecting the performance and longevity of your vacuum. To tackle this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement battery compatible with the Dyson SV12, and possibly a pair of gloves to keep everything clean and safe. First, ensure your Dyson SV12 is unplugged and turned off. Begin by locating the screws on the back of the device. Use a suitable screwdriver to carefully remove them, making sure to keep them safe as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing. Be cautious not to use excessive force, as this could damage the plastic clips holding it together. Now, with the casing removed, you should be able to see the battery. The battery is usually secured with additional screws. Remove these screws carefully, again keeping them safe for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently disconnect any cables attached to the battery. It's important to take your time here to avoid damaging the connectors. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After disconnecting the old battery, take your new replacement battery and connect it in the same manner as the old one was attached. Ensure that the connectors are securely fitted to avoid any further issues. Once the new battery is in place, replace the screws you previously removed to secure it tightly. Now, before closing the casing, it's a good idea to test the vacuum to ensure the new battery is functioning properly. If it powers up without any flashing lights, you're good to go. If everything is in order, carefully replace the casing, ensuring that all clips and screws are aligned correctly. Finally, screw everything back together, making sure not to over-tighten, which could lead to damage. To prevent this problem from occurring again, ensure you regularly check the battery's health and clean the connectors to avoid any buildup of dust or debris. This can help prolong the lifespan of your Dyson SV12. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.